ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಮೈಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆನಂದ ಡಿಆರ್, ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್, ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೊಲಿಜಿಯೇಟ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚುಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಮ್, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಸೂರು. Session 3, Objectives of Marketing. In this session, I am going to cover recap of the previous session, learning objectives of this session, learning outcomes, introduction, objectives of marketing, summary or conclusion, MCQs and references. Recap. We have discussed in the previous session about meaning and definition of marketing. Learning objectives. In this session, to know the objectives of marketing. Session outcomes. At the end, we'll get learners or know to the objectives of marketing. Introduction. Marketing is concerned with all those activities which are essential to determine and satisfy the needs of customers, so has to achieve the objectives of businesses. Thus, the prime objectives of marketing is to achieve the objectives of the businesses. Thus, the prime objectives of the marketing to achieve the objectives of the business. A business predominantly aims at earning reasonable long-term profits by satisfying the needs of customers. Objectives of marketing. Number 1, to satisfy the customers. The prime objectives of the marketing to satisfy the customer. The marketing manager must scientifically study the demands of customer before offering them any goods or services. Selling the goods or services is not that important as the satisfaction of the customer's needs. Modern marketing thus always begins and ends with the needs of the customers. Number 2, to increase profits of the growth of businesses. The important objectives of the marketing. The marketing department is only the department which generate revenue for the business. Sufficient profit must be earned as a result of sales of one satisfying the products. If the firm is not earning profits, it will not be able to survive in the market. Moreover, profits are also needed for the growth and diversification of the firm. Number 3, to generate customer base for the businesses. The third important objectives of the marketing. The marketing manager must attract more and more customers to buy the firm's product and services. This will also result into the increasing of sales. Number 4, to determine the marketing mix. The important and most objectives of the marketing to determine marketing mix that will satisfy the needs of the customers. Product, pricing, promotion and physical distribution should be so planned as to meet the requirements of different kinds of customers. Number 5, to increase the quality of life of people. The important objectives of the marketing attempts to increase the quality of life of the people by providing them better products at reasonable prices. It facilitates production and distribution of a wide variety of goods and services for use by the customers. Number 6, to create good image. It is also important element objectives of the marketing to build up the public image of the firm over a period is another objectives of marketing. The marketing department provide quality of products to customers at a reasonable prices and thus creates this impact on the customers. The marketing manager attempts to increase the goodwill of its businesses by initiating image building activities. If a firm enjoy a goodwill in a market, it will not increase the morale of its sales forces. They will show greater loyalty and will develop a sense of service to the customers. This will further enhance to the customers. These 6 important objectives of marketing, it is essential for nowadays. MCQs, multiple choice questions. Question number 1, benchmark means. Answers are: number 1, benches for customer to sit. Number 2, set standards. Number 3, benches for salesmen to sit. Number 4, products displayed on a bench. Number 5, all of the above. Answer is 2, set standard. Question number 2, a call center is. Number 1, a meeting place of DSS. Number 2, a training center of DSS. Number 3, a meeting place of customers. Number 4, data centers. Number 5, a back office setup where customers queries are answered. Answer is 5th, a back office setup where customer queries are answered. Question number 3, the sequence of a sales process is dash. Answers are: A, lead generation, call, presentation and sale. Number 2, sale, presentation, lead generation and call. Number 3, presentation, lead generation, sales and call. Number 4, lead generation, call, sale and presentation. Number 5, there is no sequences required. Answer is 1, lead generation, call, presentation and sale. Question number 4, value added services means. Answers are: A, additional services. B, better value at a premium. Number 3, costlier services. Number 4, better value at a discount. Number 5, at services. Answer is 1, additional services. Question number 5, to close a call means dash. Answers are: number 1, to clinch the sales. Number 2, to end the conversation. Number 3, to put the phone down. Number 4, to close the doors. Number 5, to close the businesses. Answer is 1, to clinch the sale. Question number 6, customization means. Answers are: number 1, tailor-made products for each customer. Number 2, customer selling goods. Number 3, tailor-made products for each shop. Number 4, a selling process. Number 5, none of these. Answer is 1, tailor-made products for each customers. Question number 7, a call in marketing language means. Answers are: number 1, calling on a salesperson. Number 2, calling on a customer. Number 3, making a phone call. Number 4, telemarketing. Number 5, none of these. Answer is none of these. References: the mentioned book I refer to preparation of PPT. Thank you one and all.